everyone. Namaste. I am astrologer and life coach Debanvita, and today in this video I came back with a new topic, and this topic is all about the three planet conjunction of Mars, Venus and Saturn in the Rashi of Aquarius or Kumbha, which is currently taking place. So before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below to get such more interesting tips related to Vedic astrology and occult sciences. So, as we know that currently in the sign of Aquarius or Kumbha, the three main planets are conjunct together. They are Saturn, Mars and Venus. These three planets are there. So, as per Vedic astrology, the house or Rashi Kumbha is ruled by mainly by Saturn and also by its co-ruler Rahu as well. So, as this conjunction will stay in the sign of Kumbha, or this three planet conjunction will stay in this sign until 31st March 2024, until Venus leaves this sign of Aquarius. So I will tell you certain effects which will happen in this sign once until these three planets are there in this sign as well. And after that, the two other planets, which are Saturn and Mars will stay in this sign for a longer timing. So I am starting with the effects. So as we know that there are three planets conjunction in this sign. So what will happen regarding your love and relationship? First I will tell you. So as regarding love and relationship, there may be breakups and some kind of re-evaluation in your relationships and love affairs as well. Particularly, this is because Mars is currently transiting through its own nakshatra, Dhanishta nakshatra, and it is in conjunction with Venus as well. Secondly, it could also strengthen your emotional attachment in general, due to particularly love related attachment due to the conjunction of Mars and Venus. Secondly, regarding health, you could you could release your repressed anger and stress, and also reveal your own self as well. As we know that Mars is the ruler of the 8th house or natural Rashi, which is also known as Scorpio, and it is in conjunction with Saturn, so such effects will happen. Secondly, you could those people who are having blood pressure issues in general should be very careful regarding their health during this timing as well, because Mars is also related to the flow of blood in our body, or it also represents blood related issues. Thirdly, one should also do meditations, counseling, or take help from any medical expert if any kind of troubles related to anger is arising in your life. Now, what are the effects which will happen related to your career with this conjunction? So you may become very much disciplined, and a lot of persistence and creativity is required in order to succeed in your career. Secondly, there will be ups and downs. There may be ups and downs in your financial aspects of life, particularly regarding earning of money as well. Thirdly, you have to build a solid foundation. You will be building a solid foundation during this time, and some cautions is also needed to overcome the difficulties during this time as well. So if any difficulties particularly in this during this conjunction arises in your life, then you need to chant Hanuman Chalisa every week, on Tuesdays and Saturdays on regular basis. Doing this, you will surely get success and overall mental peace and prosperity as well. So here I came into my video regarding the conjunction effect of the conjunction of these three planets in Vedic astrology which are occurring due to transits. I will again come with a new video very soon. So till that time, thank you. Namaste.